White turmeric is fantastic for oral health and hygiene. Have you ever brushed your teeth and noticed that your gums were bleeding? This is a very common symptom of gingivitis. It manifests itself during the initial phases of gum diseases, which may be accompanied by swelling and sensitivity. If the disease worsens, it may cause irreparable damage, such as periodontitis. In periodontitis, gums may retract and separate from your teeth, forming pockets around them. Your teeth become extremely sensitive and susceptible to plaque and infections, and may even fall out. This can also give bacteria another way into your bloodstream. There's actually a strong connection between gum diseases and heart problems. This association is due to the fact that bacteria and inflammatory protein present in the periodontal tissue penetrate the bloodstream, which may cause problems in the cardiovascular system. Although there is no cure, periodontitis can and should be controlled in order to keep it from worsening and compromising the health of your teeth and body. A study performed in Greece showed that turmeric can be beneficial in the fight against both periodontitis and rheumatoid arthritis. Periodontitis is mainly caused by the bacteria P. gingivalis, which leads to cavities. It's also a risk factor for the development of rheumatoid arthritis. It's an autoimmune disease characterized by inflammation that leads to joint destruction, lot of joint function and disability if not treated in time. Turmeric appears to be good at fighting P. gingivalis as well as preventing the formation of layers of bacteria lodged in the gums. In addition to its antibacterial, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action, turmeric exerts immunosuppressive action, meaning that it suppresses autoimmunity. To get the benefits of turmeric in your oral hygiene, you can use pure turmeric or mix it with coconut oil. Check out the end of the video for our suggestions for toothpaste that you can make at home using this wonderful ingredient. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.